This is DESHANTA B, and welcome to Let Me Read to You. Today's story is called Please, Puppy Please by authors Spike Lee and Tonya Lee, illustrated by KADIR NELSON. You know what time it is. Let me read to you and stop playing. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Stay inside today. Puppy, puppy, please, puppy. Outside, let's go play. Puppy, 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 please. Away from the gate. Puppy, puppy, please, puppy. Oh, wait! Puppy, wait! Please, 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 please! Come back here. Don't go. Puppy, puppy, please, puppy. Not the mud, puppy. Oh no! Puppy, 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 please. Rub-a-dub-dub. Please, please, puppy, puppy. Get back in the tub. Puppy, 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 please. Watch out for the cat. Puppy, please. Puppy, please. Oh no! Don't do that. Puppy, puppy, please, puppy. Fetch me the ball. Puppy, 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 please. Come when I call. Puppy, please, 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 please. You're doing just fine. Puppy, 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 puppy. Always be mine. Puppy, please, puppy, please. This is DESHANTA B. Thank you for taking the time to listen to Please, Puppy, Please by authors Spike Lee and Tonya Lee, illustrated by KADIR NELSON. The music bump in this video and its producers will be listed. All of these music tracks are available at the YouTube free audio library. You know what time it is. Like, subscribe, and share this video. And remember, there's nothing like the unconditional love from a puppy. And stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.